The experience since morning has been wonderful. Lots of engaging conversations, perspectives from very senior people from the industry. And as always, it's been a pleasure to be a part of the Great Place to Work Alpha Summit. I've been a regular attendee for the last, I think, 4 consecutive years. So it's been a fantastic experience right from the get go. Especially loved the session by Mrs. Debolina earlier in the morning, the session that we had after lunch, which was the engaging activity on diversity, on inclusion as well. So that was quite interesting, and looking forward to the session with Mr. Harsha Bhogle later in the evening today. The key takeaway, well, many. If we were to look at the acronym of CEO, which they spoke about earlier, the value frameworks that organizations set up. How do you build cultures in organizations, and what are the main foundational pillars that we have to look at when we're building culture and talking culture, especially? Um, how we are from a diverse and a diversity and inclusion point of view at a workplace, and why these things are very crucial, especially now that we're dealing with a generation where these things make so much of a difference to people on a day-to-day basis. So understanding biases, understanding the generational nuances, understanding inclusion, these are all extremely critical aspects that I think are very important for us to follow as we progress as organizations, especially from an India point of view. And of course, a very interesting session that's going on right now, which is more women centric, and where we are from a gender diversity, gender in equity point of view. So all of these, I think, have been amazing nuggets through the entire day today.